When you use green onions in your cooking, never throw the stem parts of the green onion. You can always regrow them and have a permanent supply of the green onions for the days to come. Oh no, do not throw them, we can grow them again. Here, I have some ends of the green onions. And in the planter I have regular garden soil. Now, I will make a little hole in the soil with a stick and plant the ends of the green onions in the soil one by one. Today is February 12, 2023. So I will put a date tag. This is the growth after 2 weeks. Very nice. So, this is the progress after 4 weeks. Now, this is the situation after 6 weeks. Green onions are growing nicely. It is already more than 7 weeks. So it is the time to harvest. Now I am doing the first harvest of my green onions. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my next videos. Satlan Bhatti is now signing off. Goodbye.